To my loving husband,
At ito ay magsisimula sa araw nito na kung saan sila ay pinagsama na, sila ay iisa.
Far and wide, I see them searching day and night, spend their lives looking for just a little bit more.
I know na palagi tayong nag-aaway, pero sa kabila ng mga away na yon, na lampasan natin at napagtagumpayan at lalo pang tumibay yung pagsasama natin.
All I know is it's always been you, love.
When I say I love you or I love you more, what I mean is I love you more than the bad days ahead of us.
Pwede kayong hindi magkasundo, magkasalungat, kaya pwedeng mag-away. Pero huwag hahantong sa hiwalayan.
Till the stars fall from the blue sky, all my days love for a life.
I love you more than any fight we will ever have.
You be the tide, I'll be the sea, the rise or fall.
Alam niyo na kung ano yung tama at mali. Salamat anak, salamat sa lahat. Alam mo na yon kung ano yon at alam mo na rin yung nila. Thank you.
It's always been you I love. It's always been you I love. It's always been you, love.
Pero huwag hahantong sa hiwalayan. Pwede kayong mag-away, pero bawal maghiwalay.
anak, dalangin ko sa mga na sana saya ka araw-araw.
Even at moment, nakarating tayo dito. And I know na marami pa tayong pagsasamahan with our future plans.
We opened the sky, pulled down the moon, we saw through the dark, and we found the truth. I found you.
Sa paglipas ng panahon, habang ito ay inyong laging sinasariwa at isa na sa buhay, ito ay titibay pa ng titibay at magtatagal hanggang sa wakas ng inyong buhay.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I
Jomar, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Mina na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Yes, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Yes, Father.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang may bahay?
Yes, Father.
God once again.
Jomar at Mila, ngayong tinanggap niyong banal na sakramento ng kasal, ang aking habilin sa inyo ay mamuhay kayo sa pag-ibig at katapatan sa isa't isa. Mila, pag-ibig mo'y patunayan sa pagiging butihing may bahay na may pananampalataya, kabanan at pag-ibig sa may kapal.
I get to love you. I get to love you.
Ang ginamit ng kapatid natin po sila Misa ng Mrs. Jomar, Chris at Mila Color, Solano.
I get to love you. And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. And when it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me.
I love you more than any fight we will ever have.
I get to
And I love you more than any obstacle that could try and come between us. I love you the most, and don't you ever forget that. Love you.
I love you so much.